You did what now? Hey everybody, quick video for you today. We got a speaker here we got on Facebook Marketplace. We're going to attempt some repairs on the cone. We have a couple methods to try here. So yeah, here we go. Take it away.
All right, so I already cut the patch that I'm going to use to fit to cover my area. Obviously I covered quite a bit more than the tear was. I wanted to spread the cone's weight distortion out so that it would hopefully not have funny sounds. A lot of the people were using different kinds of glue. I'm going to give this waterproofing a shot and see what happens. It seems to dry nicely on other materials that are similar, wood. So I'm gonna see what happens when we use this. So, start by applying a little bit here to the speaker. I'm going to go over the entire speaker with it anyway, so I'm not going to be real careful about where I'm putting the glue. I'm going to try to not get into this cone too much, or this part, what is it, the spring, whatever the that part is called. I think I'm going to apply this separately here. That's going to be all over my hands now, isn't it?
Yep.
I have a sink I can wash my hands in.
Yep. Good thing we don't need proper PPE.
That's correct. We don't need no protective equipment. So now I'm just going to spread it out.
Your guys' mileage may vary on these repairs. I recommend gloves if you're gonna work with stuff like this.
Yeah, you probably should wear gloves when you're working with toxic stuff. That seems like a reasonable suggestion. I'm having a little trouble getting it to connect down here. I have a little too much spring on it. More glue down here, see if we can get it to hang up.
So I'd like to remind our viewers that neither of us are professionals. And this is just something we are trying.
Right. So my only challenge so far is getting it to stick on the edges. That may continue to be a problem. Thinking about flipping it. See, it tends to want to pop that way. Maybe if I flip it over, it'll work better.
It does seem to sit a little better.
Yeah. So you can see it, you can't see through it, but I'm using my finger behind it to push the paper that is where the tear is at, to push it back into place. I don't know if this is going to stay or not. All right. Having a little trouble sticking there. All right, let's let it tack up a little bit and then we'll poke it down tighter.
All right, how long do we want to give this?
I'm gonna give it 5 or 6 minutes to tack, and then we'll see what happens.
All right, guys, we'll see you in 5 minutes.